Can you say cookie? Cookie. Can you say Elmo? Can you say Nina? Can you say tractor? Can you say bubble? Can you say hot? Hot. Can you say pot? Can you say bye? You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi, Dada. Can you say bubble? Bubble, that's a good word. Micah, where are your ears? Where's your ears? Where's your nose? It's your lips. Where's your tongue? Can you mastica? Can you clap, clap, clap? Clap, clap, clap. Can you say more? More. Good job. What's that? There you go. Good job. Is that funny? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. What do you see? Where's Micah? Where's Micah? Yeah. Where's Mommy? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?